Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing the latest interview experience for Deloitte for the position of analyst trainee. This interview happened yesterday only, that is on 9th February 2023, and the branch of my friend for which I am discussing this interview is MCA. Guys, previously also on my channel, I have uploaded many interview experiences for Deloitte for both the roles, analyst as well as for the analyst trainee. So make sure that after watching this video, you check out our channel also for more such videos. Okay, and guys, recently only I've started uploading short videos regarding the hirings that are going on. Yes, today only I uploaded that NatWest Group is hiring. Yesterday only I uploaded that Global Logic is hiring freshers. So do check out these short videos also regarding the hiring updates. It will really help you for filling of the forms and also getting to know that which company is hiring when. Okay, so guys, before moving ahead, do make sure that you are subscribing this channel for future updates as well as hitting the like button for this video. So now let's start this video. Guys, in last video also I have told you about Next Level app by Unacademy. This is India's gaming based hiring platform on which you play coding competitions among your friends and random app users. Based on these coding competitions, you will get a professional rating, and based on this rating, different jobs on this platform will get unlocked. The companies that are hiring through this platform includes KPMG, Cashify, Paytm. Recently only Next Level has introduced a new feature, that is Next Level Seasons, wherein a leaderboard for every month will be maintained, and based on your performance in that month you will be given a rank in this leaderboard. Top 3 winners will get Apple MacBook Air, Apple iPad Mini and Amazon Kindle. The winner of front-end January seasons are Srihari, Rehan and Bhavyansh, and the winner of back-end January seasons are Dhirendra, Himajiya, Rohit. They all have received their prizes. So guys, what are you waiting for? February seasons has already been started. So go download the link in the description box, and if you will use my invite code, then you can get an early access to these coding competitions. So go and download it now. Okay, so the date of the interview was 9th February 2023. The branch of my friend is MCA. The duration of the entire interview was 25 minutes. The first question, as you all know, it is a common for all the people, is introduce yourself. And again, I am telling you, it is the very important question as per the interview is concerned, because the answer you will give can be the question that the next question that will be asked from the interviewer. So make sure that you are preparing this question very well. It should be short description of yourself. You can tell about yourself. Okay, you can include your internships, skills, extracurricular activities, certifications, projects. All these things you can include in this particular answer. Make sure to give it a brief description of yourself, and it should be very good. Okay, so I hope now it is clear to you. Next question is explain your project in detail. So guys, this is the second most important question as per the interview is concerned, because when you are explaining your project, then the interviewer is knowing that yes, you have worked on a project, you have worked on a technology. Now you know how to work on project in teams also as well as individually also. What are the components essential for the project? Are you a team player or not? So all these things the interviewer knows when you are explaining your project. So make sure to explain the project very good in the interview. If you do not know how you have to explain your project in the interview, I made a dedicated video on this particular question. The link I will give in the I button. Make sure to check out that and make sure to follow a particular pattern that I have discussed in that video. It will be really helpful for you. Okay, so I hope now this particular this particular question is clear to you. Next question was how you stored your project data. So guys, there can be some questions that can be asked from your project only. Okay, that is how you stored your project data. So like whenever you are making a project, there is a data that you are storing. There is a logging system or there is any other system. But at the end, there is some place where data is getting stored. It might be the SQL. In SQL, the data is getting stored. It might be the data is stored in the form of files. So this you will have to tell to the interviewer whenever they ask you. Okay. Next question is, what are you thinking about during creating your database? So now whenever you are creating a project, first of all is your database schema, that how your database schema will look like. So then you will have to describe your schema, that what information of user will go in which table and how these two tables will be related. There will be one-to-one relationship or one-to-many relationship. So all these things you will have to think before you are designing your schema, and then using these informations you will design your schema and tell to the interview or you start your with your project. So this is how you will have to explain each and every component while answering these type of questions. Okay, next question is what is unique in your project. So guys, in previous videos also I've told you that if you are making any project, okay, if you are making any project, so it is a possibility that the same project exists on the internet, because obviously you have googled it. So now whenever you are copying any project, copying any idea from internet, try to add additional features to it so that it can be unique from already existing projects. So it will be a very plus point for you in the interview when you will be explaining these unique points of your project. It will give a very good impression of yours to the interview. Okay, so I hope now this question is also clear. And guys, again, I want to tell you that we have started uploading short videos regarding different hirings that are going on. So do check out these short videos on daily basis. Please hit that subscribe button so that you can get the notification of the short button, of these short videos, so that you can get to know about the hiring and you can apply on the same day. Okay, so do hit that subscribe button. Okay, moving to the next question. Next question is, from where you collect your data for SQL. So like again, from where you collect your data from SQL. So it might be that you have a functionality in your project wherein a user is filling a form, a user is doing some operations. Okay, a simple CRUD operations are a user is doing. He's creating, reading, updating. So all these things, it is high chance that you are doing from inside project only, inside your project only. So simply you can answer this particular thing to the interviewer. Okay, next question is, what are the different concepts of OOPS? So guys, I have made at least now like 5 to 4 or 6 videos regarding Deloitte interview experience. Whether it is analyst role, whether it is for analyst trainee role, this question is very common. And again, 4 pillars of OOPS and how you will have to explain them in the interview with the help of example. Again, a dedicated video have been made on my channel. Again, you will find the link in the I button as well as in the description box. Make sure to visit it. Okay. Next thing is, what is typecasting? So typecasting is the process in which the compiler automatically converts one data type to another one. So if you want to typecast it by typecasting, you can use char as int, you can use int as char. So all these things can be done using typecasting. Okay. So I hope now this particular question is also clear to you. Next question is, what is upcasting and downcasting? So this upcasting and downcasting concept generally is asked in the Java interviews. Like upcasting is a child object is typecasted to parent object, whereas downcasting is the reference of the parent class object is passed to the child class. So this is a simple definition of upcasting and downcasting. So I hope this thing is clear to you. So upcasting, downcasting is very much possible. That is, we have the reference of parent and we have the object of child, but reverse is difficult to implement. Okay, so I hope now this thing is clear to you. Next thing is, what is hash symbol in C language? So you might know that we use hash, include, iostream.h, or these things we are using. So to include any libraries, we generally use this hash keyword. Okay, so I hope now this question is also clear to you. Next question is, write a code to reverse a string. So guys, for writing the code, the interviewer can ask you to either share your screen and open any compiler, or he can ask you to write your code in the chat section only. So it is totally dependent on the interviewer only. So if you want to know how you will have to reverse the string, I will give you this link in the description box. Next question is, create a table and update any data. So it is simple. So first of all, you will have to write a create query for a table. Then you will have to insert some of the data in your table, dummy data you will have to insert in the table, and then any row you can update any data inside that table. So basic syntax of create, select, insert, update, you must know. Okay, you must know for any interview you are giving. So I hope now these questions are clear to you. Now, the last question of this video, of this interview, was any questions you want to ask from the interviewer. So guys, whenever an interviewer asks you that do you have any questions, always ask 1 to 2 questions from the interview, because it will give a good impression on the interviewer that yes, you are genuinely interested in the company. You can ask that what will be my role, on what technologies I will be working on, what does the company expects from me. So all these things you can ask from the interviewer, it will be good. Okay, so guys, these were all the questions that were discussed in this interview. Previously also, as I have told you, I have uploaded many videos many videos in which I have discussed the interview experiences for analyst as well as for the analyst trainee interview for Deloitte company. Okay, and again I'm telling you, recently only we have started uploading short videos for hiring updates. So do hit that subscribe button also, so that on daily basis you can get these updates on that which company is hiring for which batch and what is the last deadline for applying to that hiring. So make sure that you are present on this channel and are subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.